In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update n8n, a popular workflow automation tool. If you're looking to keep your system up to date with the latest features and improvements that n8n has to offer, then you're in the right place. We'll walk through the process together, and I'll give you some handy tips along the way to make things smoother and more efficient. To get started, you'll want to open your terminal. The terminal is your command line interface where you can type in commands to control your system. If you're using a Mac, you'll find the terminal application in the Utilities folder under Applications. For Windows users, PowerShell or Command Prompt will do the trick. Once you've opened your terminal, you're ready to update n8n to the latest version. You'll need to run a simple update command, which is npm update gn8n. This command uses npm, the node package manager, to update your n8n package globally. The G flag ensures that the update applies across your entire system rather than just within a specific project folder. Once you've typed out the command, press Enter. Your system will work its magic, fetching the latest updates for n8n. This might take a few moments, so feel free to sit back and relax while the update progresses. Now let's say you want to try out n8n without committing to a global installation just yet. There's a nifty way to do this. You can use npx to run n8n directly. Simply type npx n8n into your terminal. This command downloads and runs n8n without needing a full installation, which is perfect for testing or temporary use. Sometimes you might want to install a specific version of n8n, perhaps to stay consistent with team members, or to ensure compatibility with another tool. In this case, you can easily target a version by using npm install gn8n@. Just replace with the exact version you'd like to install and hit Enter to install it globally. For those who love experimenting with new features, installing the latest beta version of n8n could be exciting. You can always try out cutting-edge updates by using npm install gn8n at next. By doing this, you'll get the latest beta features before they're rolled out in the official release. Finally, once everything is updated, you might want to verify which version of n8n you're running, especially to ensure that the updates have been successful. To do this, you can check the installed version directly from the command line. While detailed commands for this check aren't necessary in this snippet, exploring with n8n CLI commands will quickly show you your current version. That's it. You've now learned how to keep n8n updated, test it without installation, install specific versions, and keep your workflow innovative with the beta version. Happy automating, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.